In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan a BOTIM QR code. First, sign in and open the BOTIM application on your device. You will see the familiar interface with options at the bottom. If you have not signed in yet, enter your credentials to access your account. This step is crucial because it ensures you are connected to your personal profile, allowing you to utilize all the features available in BOTIM. Once you are logged in, you will be ready to access the scanning function. This is a simple yet essential step that sets the foundation for everything that follows. Next, tap the scan or QR code icon. This icon is typically located at the top or bottom of the screen, and it is easily recognizable. When you tap it, the app will prepare your camera for scanning. This action is significant because it shifts your focus from the main interface to the scanning function. You should feel confident knowing that this process is designed to be user-friendly. Once you tap the icon, the camera viewfinder will appear, ready for the next step. If prompted, allow camera permission. This is a necessary step because BOTIM needs to access your device's camera to scan the QR code. You might see a pop-up asking for permission, and it's important to click Allow. This ensures that the app can function properly and access the camera features needed to complete the scan. Without granting this permission, you would not be able to proceed to the next steps. Rest assured, you can always adjust these settings later if needed. Now point your camera at the BOTIM QR code. Align the QR code within the camera viewfinder. This part of the process is crucial, as positioning the QR code correctly allows the app to read it properly. The camera will automatically detect the QR code when it is in focus. You might notice the frame adjust or highlight the QR code, indicating that it is ready for scanning. Keep your hands steady for the best results, and you will soon see the next step unfold. Keep the QR code inside the frame. This means ensuring the entire QR code is visible within the designated area on your screen. Maintaining this position is important because if the QR code moves out of the frame, the app may lose the ability to read it. You will likely see visual cues on the screen guiding you to keep the code centered. This is a quick and straightforward action, but it is vital for a successful scan. Wait for BOTIM to scan it automatically. The app is designed to recognize and interpret the QR code quickly. You will see a notification or confirmation on the screen once the scanning is complete. This automated process saves you time and effort. It allows you to focus on what comes next without any additional input. Once you receive the confirmation, you can be assured that you are one step closer to your goal. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the action, such as adding a contact, logging in, or making a payment. Each QR code may lead to a different outcome, so pay attention to the prompts. This step is essential because it guides you in utilizing the information or service linked to the QR code. Completing this action ensures that you have successfully integrated whatever the QR code was intended for. You can now enjoy the full benefits of the task at hand. By following these steps, you have effectively learned how to scan a BOTIM QR code. Each action plays a crucial role in ensuring a smooth experience. Enjoy using BOTIM with confidence.